Hey guys, SirgenicTech here today with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use OBS and also how to set it up for streaming. This is a new series I'm doing where I'm going to be teaching you guys new things like programming, how to set up hardware/software, and a lot more. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy the video. So before I get into today's video, I just want to quickly say guys, I actually have a Discord for this channel. Make sure you join, link is down in the description. You can go in there, chat about computers, just chat in general, talk about games, and also to actually get a bit of help if your computer goes wrong. Make sure you go down there, click on that link, and join the community. Okay guys, so first of all, what you need to do to actually get OBS is go to their website. So I got the, if you go to Google and type up OBS, or you can go and click on the link down below, there it will take you to this website, and this website is where you download it, obviously, so you can download it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So you also got some images here, so if you want to check out the images, but I'm not gonna bother. But anyway, if you've got Windows, just click on the Windows and it will immediately download it. If you see here, then you can click save folder, and it's the same with these other two. Okay, once you went through all the installer and you download it onto your computer, you get this icon on your desktop, and that's obviously OBS. I'm not going to install it because mine's already installed, and if I did reinstall it, I will lose all my stuff on OBS. So I've already got mine set for streaming. But anyway, once you got installed, just open it up. Then you'll be met with this screen. This is what I have it on. Well, you'll be met with that screen, which will be that. Obviously, you won't get any of this overlays or anything like that. That's all my stuff. So this can look confusing to some users, but don't worry, guys. We'll come back to this later, and I'll show you how to use all this. Right now, we need to go to the settings. So when you're in the settings, go to output, and now this is all your streaming quality. So video bitrate is the quality of the stream, so 1080p, stuff so on like that. Mine is set at 2500. The reason is my computer is not that powerful, so I more prefer to have it on that. Usually I think it's around about 3500, so I've just put mine down by an extra 1000. So yeah, you can customize this. It depends how strong your computer is. Best thing to do is play around with it and see what's the best output. The encoder, I always use hardware because the hardware stops frame drops constantly and is a lot better. But you can use software, but I recommend using hardware if you got good computer parts. Next bit is audio bitrate, which is how good obviously the audio is. Mine's on 96. That is usually around perfect. Obviously the higher it goes, the better it is, but 96 for me is perfect for streaming. Okay, next thing you need now is the stream key. So to get the stream key, it depends what streaming platform you're going on. Are you streaming on Mixer? Are you streaming on YouTube? Are you streaming on Twitch? For me, I stream on Twitch. So you can see here, service, Twitch, server, I always put on automatic so we get the best connection, or auto. And then my stream key, which I'm not going to show you because you'll be able to stream on my account notes. But it's very simple to get the stream key. I'll show you how to do it now. Okay guys, so I'll put the link to this page, but all you do is go to your accounts, then you go to dashboard, then you go to settings, and then go to channel, and you'll find it. But I will put the link down below, so it takes you right to your Twitch stream key. But this is how you get it. So you just click copy. I'm not going to let it show, like I'm not going to show it. But you copy it, go down here, go to settings, and simply paste it in. I'm not going to do it because again it will show my stream key. And literally that's all you do. You click OK, and then once you've done that, you can actually start streaming. Now for you, I'm going to show you how now to do it for YouTube. And now you'll be met with this page. So this is your streaming dashboard for YouTube, and again your stream key is down here. I'm not going to reveal it, but your stream key's there, and that's how you get it for YouTube. And this is actually pretty good for YouTube. It's pretty simple. With Twitch, it's a bit more advanced, but don't worry guys, you'll get the gist of it. Okay, so now I'm going to actually teach you how to use this. So mine is set up, I always use studio mode. The reason I use studio mode is because I can make it so the stream sees this, so that's what the stream will see, and on this second one over here where you see the red square, I can edit games or like put whatever I want there. So I'll actually like do this now. So I'll actually put let's just I will keep that one there so I can show you, and we'll let's just add some text. We'll just call this test. I'll just put test, and then we'll make this really big and pixelated because why not? Well, but it is. So you can see it's not showing up on the second kind of like monitor. That's because that's what the stream sees. But now if I could do translation, now the stream will see that. So studio mode is very good when you're editing. Another thing I do, I have a stream deck. So I can actually hook up all the scenes. I can click on start, so it'll show the stream start, and click so it shows game, IRL, which obviously that will be my webcam, and then BRB. So again, if you want, it's best to get a stream deck because it's very handy for streaming. Don't have to, they are expensive, but I'll still put a link down below in the description for you guys to, well, get one if you want one. Also then down here is all your audio stuff. So you can see right now my microphone is actually moving up and down because I'm actually talking into my microphone, obviously. Then my desktop audio would work if we actually had some desktop audio. Anyway guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please leave some feedback how I was on this tutorial because it was my first one. And well said guys, make sure you go and join the Discord. All the links are down below to all the websites and all the software and that. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you share this video with your friends and family for all their techie needs. And make sure you subscribe to join SirgenicTech. If you guys enjoyed the video though, make sure you hit the like button because I really do appreciate it. And make sure you do leave me some feedback on this tutorial because it always does help. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!